this video we are discussing the example based on fraction and also based on PEMDAS and BODMAS. So in this situation first we simplify the division. Why? Because in this situation there are 4 arithmetic operation used. Okay, so we use the BODMAS. First we simplify the division. 3 minus 5 plus 6 divided 6 is 1 multiplied by 3 divided by 3 multiplied 2 3 multiplied 2. And now we first simplify the multiplication. 3 minus 5 plus 1 multiplied 3 is 3 divided by 3 multiplied 2 is 6. Okay, and now in this situation when we solve from right to left, then 5 plus 3 is 8, 3 minus 8 is minus 5, and 3 minus 5 is minus 2 plus 3 is 1. So in this scenario different answer we will get from left to right or right to left. So according to BODMAS, first we simplify left to right. Okay, so 3 minus 5 is minus 2 plus 3 divided by 6. So it means 1 over 6, and 1 over 6 is equal to 0.167. This is the final answer of this question. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for next interesting video.